All right, last wheel on this Lexus that was washed immediately after I had painted during the repair the other day. It's just right here on this one where the paint degreaser took the paint right off. It hadn't even started to dry yet. It was definitely still tacky. All we're going to do is scuff this up, get it smooth again for paint. Don't have to sand it unless the paint has really chipped off. While I'm scuffing this wheel, if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, we'll go ahead and get some paint on this wheel again and get it cleared. It'll be good as new again. It's all scuffed. Let's just wipe the dust off. This is the dark hyper paint. Link in the description below. All right, we'll get the clear coat on, cover that fresh paint. Now 2 days before it gets washed and it's good as new.